Hi guys, so on wanna on to she put the stuff. Yeah, that's so now she put it in a zip thing because I give her it. Now she gives me the bit, but yeah. We got some paper. I love to write stuff. So guys, I love to push stuff like a father story. Yeah, there's two fathers in our house. It's my brother, my father. They have children. And next I made this cute stuff. Like is the spa open, voila. How's it now? Your stands open, you open, best date ever. Like you know me, I would like to play with you. Next is looks like spa. Happy Father's Day inside. So yeah guys, oh another spa. Go. Come guys, I don't like this. It's the paper the one not how big and open. Best date ever. Then got does like yeah. So this is on zip. But guys, on this one, I'm gonna give it to children. People don't leave just so they start everything out. Jesus. Wait, I'm keeping this. Ow. Wait, guys, you know I have a dumpling, not a white one. Ow, guys, look, a dumpling. It's not in here, but yes, it's the gold, the silver, clear silver in it. Like, I'm gonna eat this really good. I'm gonna eat it really good. It's a silver one. It's white outside and silver inside. So, guys, I'm super grateful to my author. I'm keeping this like. This is my first tip. Next, she give me 3 pencils, wood pencils. Yeah, next. She basically put 3 in American. Next, she get me this. There's 2 children in ours that don't have stuff. So for the first one, I will give her this pencil, and I will give the boy one of those pencils. Yeah, we're gonna put it like together. Like everything.